The one on the left. Whap. Whap. It might come back. Whap. I told you it'd be coming up quick. Don't move, don't move. It's still right there. It's looking behind the tree. Alright. Alright, put your safety back on. I told you they'd come right up through here. Still there. See it? Yeah, it's too far. You didn't even see it till I told you, did you?
No.
Did you see the one to the left?
Yes.
Alright. That was the big doe. One on the left. That was just a yearling. That one on the right. Yep, they might come back, so let's get ready. You know, I told you they'd come right up through there. Yeah, that's where they come from. Either straight forward or to the left. Yeah, that's the yearling. The big doe is on the left. Maybe we should tilt our chairs left a little bit. What? Just, nah, I wouldn't move yet. There could be even more following it through, so. That's alright. Maybe that other doe will come back.
The yearling's kind of a reddish color and the other one's still tan.
Yeah. That gets your heart beating, doesn't it?
Yeah.
She came within 15 yards of us. Well, that's good, because that means there's a lot of cover there to our left. Rifle season, that would have been down in that stand that we got. Pretty exciting, right? Those deer kind of snuck up on us. It's windy, you can't hear nothing. And they just came. Right from out there's a grassy field. And then right down through here is a track where they come in. They also come in straight that way towards us. They saw a little bit of movement from us, but I don't think we scared them too bad.
It's still down there.
They're actually still down there, Rita said, so.
A baby.
Anyway, we'll wait, because more will come.